So today we're going to work on this here unit. We've got the error code on there, so we'll get into diagnosing and get back to you. If I remove the gates and we gain access to the board area, so we'll switch out the board and see if we can resolve this error code. So far I noticed this. You can see on this driver board, big difference. That looks like the chips have been overheating. So we're going to start with that. You see this board here, it's got corrosion on the contacts, which definitely can cause issues. So we're going to swap that board out just because it's got corrosion on it.